We don't worry about tomorrow. We just do what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed, deep in the bar.
Hi, it's Friday. We're heading to the golf club, and Kuya, TJ, and my dad's already there because they played golf early, and we're just heading there to meet them there and to have dinner there. So that's what we're doing. So we're here now at the golf club. Kuya Zach, say hi. Say hi. Okay, so we're here at the golf club now, and we're gonna have dinner now. Hi, Piper. I met Pippa. You're my friend.
So, ito yung order ko. Steak with pepper sauce, gravy. Si John, same. Si Kuya. Kay Kuya, medium rare. Ay, ayan, medium rare yung kay Kuya. Kay Zach, Hawaiian. Where's Holly? Kay Holly, ano yun?
Medium rare?
Kay Holly, chicken nuggets.
Yeah, yours is medium well.
Ayan, kay Holly, part-time salad. Ayan yung salad bar. Dito na siya.
Bigay nugget.
Ito yung salad natin. May bread din tayo. Kakain.
Kain.
Junior winner tonight with a net 34 with TJ. Thanks, mate. Thanks for playing partners.
Mahiyain talaga si Kuya. Congrats,
Ladies
yeah.
runner-up tonight.
Here we standing on our own, on the beaten track.
Mom, the 8.
The 8th?
Is it?
Yes, it's 8th. It's
What about-
Saturday. Ida-drop off lang nila ako dito sa The Barn kasi may dinner ako with other friends.
Just keep saying all I know and you'll end up.
And si Jan tsaka si Kuya nag-golf kahapon and today and bukas ulit. May golf ulit sila. So, i-drop off niya lang ako dito and sila magti-take away sila ng food sa sa Mount. What's wrong? Kuya Zach! And yan yung mamay pakita ko sa inyo if may time tayo pakita ko sa inyo yung ating ang ingay naman ni babe. Funny.
Help!
Zach, don't touch it, I'll drop it.
Sana mag-staycation.
We're going to Hungry Jack's. Hungry Jack's.
Oh, you can get yours in Hungry Jack's
No, I'm not
and
going everywhere. One spot, that's it.
oh.
Not too bad, mate. You get what you get.
Text ko lang yung aking friend. Tagal ko na sila hindi nakikita. So, nagkita kami nung nakaraan. Yung dance lesson ni Holly. Pero sa Asian store kami nakita. Ali, careful! Wait.
What?
This.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yung camera na. Yeah, so sabi niya mag-dinner daw kami dito. I-invite niya ako mag-dinner dito. Meron pang kasamang iba na kakilala niya din, pero hindi ko naman sila nakaka-hangout lagi. But, yeah, mag-catch up kami. Right, baby? Message ko muna. Sabi niya kasi malilate siya. Siya na talaga yung malilate. Filipino time talaga, no? Si Jang kasi, hindi yan, hindi yan late. Lagi yan nauuna sa mga... Tagilid kami, guys, kasi yung ating camera, mahangin ang camera. Wala tayong pang-mount pa dyan. Text ko siya saan ka na. Text ko na sa... Tawagan ko na lang. Yeah, bebe. Narinig niyo yung hangin, guys? So, turn it down, please. Anong oras na ba? May 5 minutes pa siya before 6. Saan ka na? Saan ka na? Malapit ka na. Hintayin na kita dito. Nandito lang ako sa car. Ida-drop off lang ako ni Jan. Okay, sige, bye. Malapit na raw siya. Okay. Mamaya na lang, guys. Ang lakas ng hangin. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo.
Thank you. I just love that presentation. I just she's like yum. Where's my sauce? Nice, sorry. Thank you. Very nice. You like seafood, do you? Yes. We should have a seafood. Yeah, there's no one in the room sitting there. Thank you. What was it? Was it the Spanish one? Sure. Okay, I asked that for you to take a phone and eat. Whose phone is better? Mine is better. Yes, only Samsung. Mine's on the one. Yeah, that's right. Timer. Yeah, para sabi niya, ready for selfie. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that beautiful. Do you like this way or no? Yeah, that's small. Is that the sauce for that? Wow. In here?
February 9. Nagluto pala ako ng pork steak. And meron tayong broccoli and meron pa doon nakasalang. And also, meron din ako dyan na salmon. So, yan yung dinner namin. And ito pa yung isang batch ng broccoli. Good afternoon, guys. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung last vlog ko, but ito na yung next. Today is February 12. And we're going to the beach. Biglaan. Sobrang init. Yeah, magsasurf si Holly. Sobrang init. Every day, sobrang init na. And Hindi rin ako nag-vlog everyday kasi nga ayoko na matambakan ng vlogs na i-edit. So, ito yung next guys. Para medyo updated yung vlog natin ngayon, 2025. Diba, Holly? Si Jan, kumukuha lang siya ng drinks. And imi-meet namin doon sila Brock and si Dean. Birthday daw kasi ni Dean, so bigla ang yayaan. Doon na lang daw mag-barbecue sila sa sa beach. Total mainit. So, and si Saka hapon nasa beach din siya. Tsaka si Brock, si Jan naman ang nagbantay sa mga bata. Ayan si Jan. Dami niyang dalang ice and drinks. Siya 4:40 na guys. Kararating-rating lang ng mga bata, madali ang change and then sunscreen and dito na sa car. Galing school. And bukas, where are we going?
To the beach at
Tomorrow. No, tomorrow. School pala. So, ako palang mali. So, Friday guys, punta kami ng Adelaide. Kasi leave golf. Manunod ng leave golf, pati yung boys. So, punta tayo ng Adelaide bukas. Bukas, Friday.
And great prizes. And you're going to do a sing-along like we did last week.
Yun na si Zach.
Where's my hat, Yanni Rizla?
Here, I think, huh? Here. Mag-hat tayo kasi sobrang init. And ako din. O, diba? Hat tayo kasi sobrang init talaga. Kahit yung hangin mainit. Wow. Hindi nyo sila makita pero nandun na sila sa tubig. Yan na yung pinaka-zoom nitong camera natin. Ayan na sila. Si Holly lang yung girl. The rest boys. Hi baby. Hi. Yeah, the water is cold. Yung tubig malamig kahit sobrang init, malamig yung tubig.
I dunked myself.
You what?
I put my whole body in.
Yeah, except
If you
your
put
hair.
whole body in and you stay there for a while.
You will be fine, yeah.
It's really fun.
Where's your boogie board?
It's surfboard. Bring my boogie.
And yung boys, ayun. Boogie board yung gagamitin nila.
So I'm gonna be back out.
Alright baby, enjoy. Ayan na.
Cold.
Tapos na yung bata for now. Are you coming back?
No.
No? Nilamig na siya. Ilang minutes lang siya doon. Siguro mga
30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes and tapos na siya. Yung mga boys nagsusurfing pa doon. Or nag-boogie board. Hindi niya nagamit yung surfboard niya.
Because there's no waves.
Yeah, wala masyadong waves. Yung boys nga, nandun, ang layo nila kasi nandun yung malilit nga lang na waves. Hindi rin nila...
We're having a boogie board.
Yeah, so wala masyadong waves. So, naglalaro lang sila dito. Andito yung ano ni Holly. Tsaka, is this Zach or Kuya?
Kuya TJ's and the purple one's mine.
Yeah. Is yours purple, Baba?
Yeah.
It looks like blue. Yeah. And yung kinuha ni
And
Jan.
you would have seen the video.
Sana pala kumuha ako ng Doritos. May Doritos ako dun sa bahay. Ayan, drinks lang yung kinuha ni Jan kasi may barbecue naman dito. Wala. Solo, I think. Coke.
Raspberry.
Raspberry, yeah.
I wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet, being to myself and sit in silence Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark with a view. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms, headed straight down through the night clouds. So is my heart pounds 10,000 feet between my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me, but if I feel an edge of a cliff, rush of adrenaline in your kiss. Ties it up together, we could go the distance. Yeah, the saddest lyric about yourself, and when you pull me in, you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms, headed straight down through the night clouds. So is my heart pounds 10,000 feet between my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me. I know you got me.
May bisita kami. Hi guys, the next day na to, kahapon di ba nasa beach kami, hindi na ako nakakapag-vlog doon masyado. So nag-post ako sa Facebook page ko, nag-reels na lang, konting konting kung anong ganap doon. And kagagaling lang, kararating lang namin ni Holly galing galing town kasi may dance lesson si Holly. And today's Thursday, and may bisita kami. Where are you?
How much is this? How fast is this going, Katja? 69 million.
Pardon? How fast is your e-bike? May e-bike kasi siya. Sabi niya, napaka
Fast it can go, Mom.
sobrang bilis daw nito. Millions. Millions?
Yeah, or 200 million.
200 millions kilometer per hour? Oh, ganun kabilis ang e-bike.
What's fast?
Faster than your motorbike. Okay. Okay.
Well, I don't go that fast with my friend for motorbike because I'm really fast for lost this one. What happened?
What's that?
I'm riding with my friends one day.
Nakita niyo na to before dito, di ba?
And I just don't go full speed ahead.
Wow, you don't do the full speed.
Yeah, that's how
Yan yung e-bike niya.
awake and battle.
Is that yours or your brother?
Mine.
Yours. I love your e-bike.
Yeah.
Ah. You have to paddle. Oh no, there's no paddle.
No, ready? You just
Yeah.
look. You just
No, the one with the paddles is better. Good exercise. Yeah. So how long do you charge? Do you know?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Only 5 minutes to charge, and then it will go how fast? 200 million.
Yeah.
200 million. 5 minutes nyo lang siya i-charge.
Plus every time it's all just charged. It just
Okay.
Get my bag.
Babe! And pumunta rin ako ng Coles, kumuha akong konting kasi paubos na yung aming panglaba. Alis na siya. Are you going now?
Yep.
Bye! Alis na siya. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Hold the door. Mahangin, guys. Kahapon ang di ba?
Show
Holly?
Holly's dad.
Alright, okay. 7:10 na. Hindi pa kayo nagdi-dinner. Dumaan pala kami. I-haul ko lang muna saglit doon. Dumaan kami sa Coles. Bago kami umuwi. Ito yung nabili ko. Bumili ako ng granola. Masarap to. Natikman ko kasi siya nung last grocery ko ata. Hindi kasi ako nag-vlog, guys. For how many? I think more than a week. Kasi ayoko na nga matambakan. So, yung vlog natin, etong vlog na to ay may iba-iba siyang date. We'll see kung saan ako mag-start na date. Kasi alam ko, hindi ako masyado nag-vlog kasi nga ayoko nang matambakan. And, yeah. So, eto, masarap siya. Ito yung Sansol na brand. Granola chopped almond ang kinuha ko. Meron na siyang 10 grams protein per serving. So, dalawa yung kinuha ko. And naubos na yung Airwick namin na pampabango dito sa bahay. Ano siya, meron tong lalagyan. Tapos mag-spray siya na depende sa time na isi-set. So, mag-spray siya. So, bumili ulit tayo. Tapos, bumili ako nitong Attack sa ating panglaba. 4 yung binili ko. So, 4 yung binili natin. Boys! Can you please put this one in the laundry room? Please. Ayan. So, bukas, alis kami. Punta kami ng Adelaide. So, hindi ako nagluto today. So, ang kakainin namin is, kay Jan, ham and cheese han or salami? Ham and cheese for Jan. Thank you, Baba. Yung dalawa nagpi-PS kasi, PS time. Kasi pag Friday dapat, bukas. Kasi hindi sila papasok bukas. Pinaalam na sila na hindi sila papasok. Kasi bukas, punta tayo ng Adelaide para sa Live Golf. Kasi every year, pag may, is it every year, Han? What? The Live Golf? So far. So, simula nag-start yung Live Golf, laging bumibili si Dan ng ticket para sa boys. So, si Dan kasi nag-organize, or si Dan organize it, right, babe? Hoy. What? The ticket? What? The Live Golf? Yeah. So, kasi si Dan na nasa Adelaide. So, tapos babayaran na lang nila si Dan. So, yun ang aming ganap bukas. Kung bakit tayo pupunta sa Adelaide. Sabado pa naman yung Live Golf, pero Friday kami alis. Alright, thank you, Baba. So, gawin ko yung dinner nila. Nasaan na yung tapio? And this one, Baba, ha? Ito, iwan natin tong isa. Yung kinuha ko is lemon and eto mabango to guys. Etong raspberry and apple. Pero etong gamitin ko lemon. And this one, and I'm gonna get one of this. Okay. This one pa, and this. Kasi naubos na rin yung aming paper towel dito. Ayan, pasura na to. Okay. Ganito na yung pagkain nila. Si Holly gusto niya cheese platter. Meron pa kasi ako ditong pang cheese platter. And may fruits pa tayo na kailangan. And meron ako, hindi ako nag-vlog na guys. Baba, I still have a pasta. TJ? Do you want pasta?
No, I have a cheese platter.
Yeah, but how about this? Do you want this? I'm gonna make cheese platter. Masarap
Can
na
I have that in cheese platter?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Ask TJ. Si TJ kumain na siya, guys. No.
Wait, TJ, we had some.
No, kumain na siya. Alam niyo naman si Kuya. Kumain na siya. So, si Holly na lang. Si Sak, kumain din ata siya. Kasi nga, di ba, late na kami nakauwi ni Holly. From the mount. So, kung anong pagkain dito, nauuna na sila. Pag late na kami makakauwi ni Holly. Ilabas ko na to kasi bukas aalis tayo. So, kung ano man matira. Okay. Do you wanna eat this first, Baba?
I'll have to eat the cheese platter.
First? Have this one. So, Babe, I only have one bread here for you, okay? Okay. Diet ka muna. Meron ako dyan sa freezer pero hindi ko na linabas kasi hindi naman mauubos. Nasasayang lang din. Kaya. You can have cheese platter, honey. And dumating na rin yung in-order kong sapatos ni Holly sa dance niya, tsaka yung tight niya. Ang wala na lang is, what is missing for your costume for your dance, Baba? Leotard?
Yeah.
Yun na lang. Wala kasing size dun sa ano. Meron silang stock pero walang size ni Holly. So, kailangan pang i-order. So, yun na lang ang hihintayin ko. Tapos si Holly, pwede niya munang suotin yung kanyang ano ba yan? Yung kanyang old leather. Kasi wala pa yung totoong niyang iba na kasi yung kulay, guys. Kasya pa sana yung leather ni Holly dito nung dun sa dati niyang dance school. Kaso iba yung kulay. So hindi naman pwedeng yun ang susuotin ni Holly. Buti na lang yung sapatos ni Holly, same pa rin doon same dito sa bago niya. Dahil kabibili ko lang nun. Kabibili ko lang ng sapatos ni Holly. Yung pang ballet, and then yung sa jazz na sapatos. Kasi iba-iba yung sapatos ni Holly sa dancing. So, mayroon siyang jazz and ballet. So, yung ballet niya, nagkasya. Buti na lang talaga kasya pa, guys. Kasi hindi rin mura yung mga gear niya sa dancing niya, ha. As in, yung sapatos niya nga yung binili ko, mama, ipakita ko sa inyo. $75 yun. And then, hindi pwede yung may allowance doon sa sapatos na yun kasi kailangan mahigpit siya. So, yung kinuha ko is size 4. Dapat size 4.5 doon si Holly. May konting allowance doon sa 4.5. Kaso, nung sinukat ng babae, ninagay niya tong index finger niya doon sa likod ni Holly. Yung parang sinuksok niya ba, sabi niya, parang malaki yung kay Holly. Dapat daw hindi ito makapasok para hindi siya lumipad-lipad. So, yun. Kaya, hopefully, wag mo nang lumaki ang paa ni Holly. Para magamit niya in 2 years. 2 years. Here, honey, Babe.
Yeah.
So, ito yung dinner niya. And I have banana muffins kasi kailangan na maubos yung mga... Okay. Labas na raw natin para... Sinabas ko na ba? Wala. Ayan. And I have blueberries. Ilabas ko na rin. Ayan. Kasi kailangan na nila itong kainin. Kasi wala tayo dito for 3 nights and 3 days. 3 days wala. So magstay kami 2 nights and 3 days sa Adelaide. Kila Race kayo magstay. Okay, next is just honey, oh come on. Ito pwede nila tong papakin sa car bukas kung gusto nila. Cheese platter tayo. May fruits pa ako dito, mga nahiwa ko ng mga fruits. So, kainin nila yun together with this cheese platter. Ito yung apricot and almond. Masarap to, guys. Pero si Holly, ang favorite niya is yung isa. Ako favorite ko to. Masarap to eh. So, kalahati lang kasi hindi naman siguro nila maubos. Etong sweet chili ang gustong-gusto ni Holly tsaka ni Zach. And maglalaba rin ako ng mga uniforms. Kasi Sunday pambalik namin. Tapos isampay ko na lang dito sa sa loob. So ilalabas ko na naman yung aking
Sullivan's toast, right?
No. I do want toast. That's new bread, so it's alright. That was yesterday. Itong Havarte. You want to eat cheese platter ito, ha? Ito si Jen, hindi masyadong na cheese platter. Depende. I have kebab dahan. Do you want me to cut some?
Kebab?
Kebab, I think so. If the boys didn't finish it. Inubos na ng mga boys. Walay na pala. Baba, turn down please. Makaka-copyright ako niyan. Ay, mamaya akong tawagin pagtapos na to yung boys. Here's the salamihan, oh. And I have crackers there. Hatiin ko na rin itong cucumber. Kasi gustong-gusto naman nila ito eh. Never pa ako naglagay ng cucumber sa cheese platter. Magasarap kasi ito pag may dip. Wala naman tayong dip. Kainin pa rin nila yan kasi gusto nila ang cucumber. And finish your bread. Yan lang muna. And then, ubusin natin yung fruits. Meron pa ako dyan na orange at saka peach, pero pwede pa yun sa kanilang baon sa Monday. Kasi matigas-tigas pa yun, parang ganito lang din. So, ubusin lang muna nila tong mga nahiwa ko. Blackberries pa tayo. And may grapes pa ako dyan. So, para mahugasan ko na rin yan for next time. Nakabuo tayong cheese platter. Ito, masarap tong crackers. Itong si Captain's Table. Masarap to. Gusto ko to. Kuya, can you please gather your uniforms, please?
What do you mean?
Uniform, because I'm gonna wash all your uniforms.
Now?
Yes. Okay. You want some cheese platter, huh? No? You don't like this? I got si John kasi very siya, kung yung yung parang pag snitzel, pag yung cracker na what do you call that one? This one, what's that? Jats lang siya, hindi siya mag-explore ng ibang crackers. Ito siya.
They're all just sitting in the wash. Okay?
Yeah, this brie. Meron pa pala tayong brie. Bago to. You gonna come back? You want brie? Ayan. Si Kuyang gustong-gusto niya to. Ayan natin siya dyan.
Hey, Mom. Oh, this looks good. My favorite sauce too.
Anong sauce? That's not sauce.
What's it called? Cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Do you want get a little knife, Baba?
I
Sorry, I forgot.
got it.
Do you want me to help you?
I got it.
I'll do it, Baba. Oh, okay.
Now I'm just gonna put on my
Why? Put on your cracker.
putting it on my
Salami.
and then puts cracker underneath. I love these sauce. Quotage, I probably want some.
Hi, so where's your clothes?
Beans telling things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell. But we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole. Would you say if things ain't right? Look away, you look away. What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't you say?
Ayan na lang. Walang natira. Naubos. And eto. Wala na rin. Kunti na lang. Dalawa na lang yata ang laman nito. Diba? Busog. And yung grapes, ayan na lang din. Nilabas na ni Sak yung aming sampayan. 10:50 na and ayun na, nasampay na yung mga uniforms and nakaligo na rin tayo. And gagawin ko, magni-nails ako. So yan na yung vlog natin, guys. Yan si Sak. Good night.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe. Having it sound next vlog. Bye.
Good night, guys. Good night.
Night.
Good night.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need.